And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the latest model kits coming out from the GQuuuuuux line and HG. We have the Mobile Suit Gundam GQuuuuuux Light Type Gun Cannon, or RGM-79. And yes, I think this is still with the Earth Federation, guys. But you know what? What really caught me is that this really looks like. I'm sorry about it. I'm crossing, different merchandises. I'm thinking Pacific Rim. Anyways, just about you can see in the box art, we see two light type gun cannons. Clearly, the gun cannons from the main timeline. And off to the side here, so we see the light type gun cannon here, what actions you can do, and some gimmicks that you can do with him. And I think it is at this pose that reminded me of Pacific Rim. Sorry about that again. And of course, here it is, front and back, some information about the GQuuuuuux story. And that's what we have on the box. Now, opening and seeing what's inside of it, we have one bag. Again, sticker sheets, three screws, all black, all red, and some new color for the saber effects. Another bag with three screws, all red, and a clear green one. Last bag contains three screws, one all black, one all red, and a multicolored screw. And of course, we can't forget about the instruction manual of the lightweight gun cannon. And again, yes, this is really the reason why it just screams to me as Pacific Rim. I am so sorry about that. Oh, let's take a closer look at the screws. Alright, so first off is the multicolored screw, which has whites, yellow, and of course some gray and some black. Most of these are, parts of the weapon, some parts of the body. This one is clear for the foot. Yep, so that's the A screw. Then we have a B1 screw here, which is all red, clearly because, the mobile suit is all red. B2 also, it has a B2 screw, again, parts for the armor, and it's all red. Yeah. Come to think of it, the gun cannon, the gun tank, there are some hints of red, but more of Gundam-like from what I remember. C1 here is all black, so some internal, mechanical things and stuff, and some parts of, I guess, for the cannons or the backpack. It also has a C2, more parts, black parts actually, so manipulators that we see here, more parts, I guess, for the joints. Going back to red, we have the D screw here. This is clearly for the chest. Yeah, chest, and I think this is for the back, I think. So that's the D screw. It also has an E1 screw, which is clearly, I think, for the waist, chest section. An E2 screw, which is all green, clear green actually, for, yeah, this is for the head. And of course, a saber effect parts SB13, which is, now colored pink. And they have this foil sticker here, which would, be for some of the parts that are not clearly color separated. Alright. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box for the GQuuuuuux Light Type Gun Cannon from the HG line 1/144. And yes, it is still screaming Pacific Gypsy Danger to me. I am so sorry about that. But hey, if you share the same comments or the same feeling on what you see with the Light Type Gun Cannon, then hey, we're the same. But if not, I am truly sorry. But this is it. That is what's inside the box. And this is Miklar saying until next time, please do comment, subscribe, leave your mark. Please do see other videos, sharing them, doing them, and until next time, see you and thank you.